Yo, what's up, YouTubers? So you're trying to change your headlight bulb in your F-150, right? I'll show you how to do it. All right, so I got my father-in-law's F-150 over here. This is a 2019. This is the front end right here, right? This is what it looks like. So if you want to compare it to yours, right? So what you need is a flathead screwdriver, 8mm socket. You need the headlight bulbs, of course, and then then you got to jack it up. So I got a jack under there set to the frame where the little arrow's at. See the arrow there? And we got the emergency brake set, and then we're going to take this front wheel off, because to me that's easier than turning the wheel all the way to the driver's side. But if you want to do that, you can too. Basically what we're going to do is come in and get this inner fender out, right? And then once we get the inner fender out, we'll have access to the back of the headlight, and then we can change the bulb out pretty easy. All right, so we got the vehicle jacked up, right? And like my father-in-law asked, you know, do you got to take the wheel off? You know, if you don't have an impact and you don't have a big floor jack, just take the wheel and turn it in so you can get as much clearance as possible. But, you know, if you have an impact, you have a floor jack, just take a couple more minutes and get the wheel out of your way. Okay, so we got the bit. It was 5.5 millimeter. There it is right there. And then we're going to take these bolts off here. And I think that's it. And then this unscrews. Why do they gotta make funky shit like that? I don't know. That's kind of weird. It like unscrews to a certain point, and then I don't know. Hey, no laying down on the job. It should just pop off. I think I just need this flathead screwdriver here. All right, then you got this other little clip at the top, which I'm using a 90-degree needle nose to get out, and just gently pry it so you don't mess up the little inner fender lining. Got that out. Put that down there with the other stuff. All right, so right there it is. So when we look up in here, we see our headlight, which is there. Or it may be behind here, so I think it's this one. Let's see, that lines up with the bottom one. Which one is out? This one down here? The top one is out? This one? Okay, so if it's the top one, then we gotta go all the way up, which is that rubber boot at the very, very top up there. And I'm gonna reach in and pluck it off, right? Get that rubber thing out of your way. Then inside of there, let's see if I can take you guys up there. Inside of there, you'll see your headlight thing, which you gotta kind of pinch and rotate, and that should come out and unclip. Yeah, so I'm turning it towards the driver's side. What would that be? Counterclockwise, like a half a rotation, and then pulling it straight out. And then there it is right there. You guys can see it. It's exposed. And I'm just gonna grab some, well, I guess I don't need gloves to clear the old one off, but definitely need gloves to get the new one on. Should just, let's see, all it unsnaps out of here. Push in with your thumb, and then probably, there you go, pull it apart. You just kind of push the little clip with your. All right, guys, so we're about to grab the new headlight bulb. You want to get a pair of gloves and put these on. You don't want to touch the new bulb with your bare hand, so get some gloves and put them on real quick. All right, we got the new headlight bulb here, and we're gonna put it in real quick. Just basically have somebody hold that inner fender back for you, and then reach in, and with the little notch on this side going towards your clip, re-clip it, and you should feel it lock in. Kind of squeeze it together, make sure it's locked in, and then you should be good. And then you just want to feed it back up into that same position it was, looking through the front. And then remember, you went in a little clock towards the driver's side, so you want to go in a little clock and then bring it back down to, like, I don't know, I guess I'm going in at like 10 o'clock and then trying to rotate it back down to 6 o'clock position, and that's it. You can see there, it's all back in. Then just put your inner fender back in and your wheel back on if you took your wheel off. I definitely recommend taking the wheel off. It gave us a lot more room to work with, and only took a few minutes to get off and only took a few minutes to get back on. But that's it. Let's test the headlight out, Tom. All right, we got us a working headlight. There it is. All right, guys, that's how to change your headlight bulb on your 2019 Ford F-150. If you need pest control in Hillsboro, Pinellas, anywhere in Florida, really, call Tom at Patriot Pest Services. And don't forget to like and subscribe and drop us a comment. See you on the next one. Bye. All right, so we put our clip back in up here, our clip back in over there. We got our 5.5 millimeter screws back in, and we're just gonna zip those in real quick. That's it. Boom, put the wheel on.